So I saw this account yesterday that was making this edible glitter with just cornstarch, water, and food coloring. And I don't believe it. I really don't know how to use TikTok, so I didn't know how to like stitch or anything, but I'll put her account in the caption. So she said 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 cup of water. It sounds like the recipe for oobleck to me, just saying. So we bring this up to a boil or simmer. She said about 8 minutes. Honestly, I don't even think I have food coloring. I need to go check, 1 second. Yeah, so I definitely don't have food coloring, but I'm gonna put a couple of blueberries in there to create blue. Essence of blueberries going in. Look at that gorgeous color. So smart. Oh, look, a blackberry made it in there, that lucky dog. It's more like a gray color, but we're gonna work with it. Okay, check this out. The more I simmer it, the bluer, I guess it's more purple, but look at that. Discard the blueberries. And now we put it on some parchment paper, spread it in a thin layer, and we're gonna let it dry for 5 hours. It's looking very similar to the video, so I have hope. Kind of. I mean, the glitter came out sparkly, so I don't know what kind of magic she did. But I'll see you in 5 hours. Never mind, we're back. We're going to wax paper because the parchment paper is like sopping up all the liquid. Back in business. And we're back. It, in fact, has not been 5 hours. It has been 5 days because it took 3 days for this to dry. Now, it's ready to go. I'm just gonna start peeling it off. It's honestly quite satisfying. Take a moment and appreciate that color from blueberries. Like, come on. I was very intrigued, so I pulled up a seat for her. Excuse me. Here are my shards of cornstarch. We are going to blend them up. They're so little, I don't know if it's gonna work. They turned out great. Hers had a bit more sparkle, but I'm still really impressed. Look at that.